Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS General Reading Test. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 sections and the 40 questions you will face. Next, practice different question types like multiple choice and matching. Finally, work on improving your reading speed and understanding complex texts to maximize your score. The IELTS General Reading Test is divided into 3 sections, each with increasing difficulty. You'll have exactly 60 minutes to answer 40 questions. These questions cover a range of types, from identifying information in paragraphs to completing sentences. Understanding each type is crucial for a good score. To excel, practice skimming for the overall gist and scanning for specific keywords. Always read the instructions carefully for each question type to avoid common errors. Developing a strong vocabulary will significantly improve your comprehension, allowing you to understand more complex passages and answer questions accurately. Consistent practice is key. Complete full practice tests, adhering strictly to the 60-minute time limit. After each test, thoroughly review your answers, understanding why you made mistakes. This helps you learn and improve. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.